Hello everybody, and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video. In the following video, we'll be taking a look at setting up bouncing for clock out time. After opening the software, we go to the menu bar and click on Setup, then Day Programs. Before setting up bouncing, ensure that all the required day programs are already set up and ready to be used. To get started, we select the day program with the earliest start time. Then in the Profile tab, we enable the bouncing option. Next, we click on the bouncing tab. Then click on the Add Bounce button to add the current selected day program as the first entry. Then we click the Add Bounce button for the second time and select the new entry. Then use the drop-down menu and choose the next day program to be used. We then set the from time for this day program to a few hours before the shift start time. For today's example, we're doing it to 1 hour before. The system will assign the 6 to 5 shift to any clocking between the 6 to 5 shift from time of midnight and the 8 to 5 shift from time of 7 a.m. Next, we will select the first day program in the list and click on the Use the last clocking of the day to bounce option. Here we will select the day program with the same start time but a different end time. Then we can add the time for if the last clocking is after this time, the system will change the day program. And we will follow the same steps for all the day programs this option is needed for. When finished, we will then click on the Save button. We can then close the day program window, head to the menu bar again, click on Setup, then Shift Patterns. Here we will click on the Add button and insert a description and a short description for the new shift pattern. We then use the calendar icon to apply the start date for the use of the new shift pattern. Then we need to assign which day program needs to be used on which day. The day program we set up the bounce on is referred to as the controlling day program. This day program will be used in the shift pattern setup, as all other day programs in the bounce will be assigned by the controlling day program that we set up. We will assign the controlling day program by selecting the day and choosing the day program from the drop-down list. We then repeat these steps until all of the day programs are assigned correctly. Once done, we can click on the Save button and close the window. Then we need to assign the shift pattern to an employee. Now let's have a look at the outcome and open the daily summary window. In today's example, we will navigate to the data that we have, and we should then click on the Recalculate button to have the system recalculate the changes that we have now made. We will then see that the system allocated the correct day programs according to the employees' clocking times. We can then close the window and continue working with Jarrison Time. That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.